Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this famous B&W2 color video edit by using the keyframe on CapCut. So here what you need to do is just prepare your video and add two keyframes. So I'm going to add at the start and also the end of the video. So on the first keyframe, you need to go to adjust, then lower the saturations of the video into -50. Okay, and then after that, on the second keyframe, set the saturation back into 0. Now you are done. And this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.